Duol mochung'ne gedo e pacho kae, the National Construction Authority obago chenro mar tiego oganda e kaunti ma Siaya ewi chike manyien mag gedo mar higa mar 2024. Jadatije ka National Construction Authority Midusa Morris Akech nolero ni chenro ma kamano geto mar neno ni chike moketi mag gedo olu makare kaka yo mar neno ni midhierni motudore gi gedo marach ok obedo kendo. Owacho ni chike mag gedo kolu maber to biro tieko wach mar ruomruok piny mar udi mosebedo katimore e pacho kae. Kaloro gi Midusa Akech, chike manyien no nochako tiyo e dwe mar adek higani ka koro chike mosebedo kitiyo godo chakre higa mar 1968 ok bi tiyo kendo. Onyiso joma gedo sani mondo ne ni oluwore gi chike moketi maneno ni masiche moko ma jabedo ok ochako timore.
This particular sensitization and civic education is very critical to bring awareness to the stakeholders on the new National Building Code 2024, which was approved and published last year, 1st March of 2024, with a one-year transition period and becoming effective 1st March 2025, which is about 3 months ago. This particular code is a document that is replacing a building code that has been there since 1968 for about 57 years. And this is a new era, new dispensation with a new code. There are many good things in it.
For us as a board, we are keen to see that this building code is known by as many people as possible, and so that no one can say that they have not heard of the building code. And even as we begin to implement the same and to go to sites and look at compliance of this building code, we are not limited to past distribution. For instance, the building code that was there in 1968, but people are aware that the March 2025 is the start of the building code.